If you are using Mac computer, then sometimes you may need to change the screen resolution. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to click this Apple menu and it will be expanded. From here we have to choose system settings. I'm going to click system settings and very shortly system settings window will be appeared. Now on the left side we'll find different menu items are there. We have to scroll till we find displays. We just need to click display and right side we'll see this type of interface. What there you will see list of displays of your current Mac. I have another extra monitor, that's why it is showing like that. To choose particular display we just need to click here. I just choose this one, which is built-in display, this one. And now next to it we'll find different resolutions are there, like large text, then default, more space, something like that. And next to actually this text, larger text, you will find some text, but by default it is not visible. If you move your cursor over there, you will see the resolution is appeared. Same way, if you move other one, you will see the resolution. See, everywhere there is resolution. Now you can choose which resolution you want and you just need to click on top of it, and after that you can close it. In this way you can easily change the resolution.